Good morning, YouTube family. I thought, you know what? It's time we just sit down, we have a little chat, and it's question and answers time. I know there's been a lot of questions that have been circulating, a lot of them have been repetitive, but I thought, even though I still reply to every comment, why not just put them down on my phone? This is completely raw. I haven't planned anything towards it. All I've done is just compiled a list of all the questions that keep on coming up, keep on coming to be asked, and I thought, you know what? Let me just inform everyone, so I hope this video is informative. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. First on the list, I always see you in Ghana and traveling, but you never mention work. What is it exactly that you do? I am currently doing my doctorate in medicine, and I am doing that in Antwerp in Belgium. So that is currently my base, even though my family living here. My base is Antwerp, Belgium, where I'm doing my doctorate in medicine, more specifically arterial stiffness and cardiovascular diseases. Next question. I love your videos. What camera do you film them on? Now this is a multiple thing. My primary camera I use is a Canon M50 with a Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens with a lens filter on top of it by Homa, which I absolutely love. I then also have a GoPro 7 that I use if I'm doing car footage, and then another one is my iPhone 12 Pro. The in-body stabilization on this phone is absolutely incredible doing wide sweeping shots, but you got to remember the equipment actually, even though it to some point does make a deal, you got to be able to tell the story, you got to be able to know what you want to show your audience. So just pick up your phone, no matter what phone you got. I started filming on an old GoPro Hero. This was a little over a year ago, and to see the transition is absolutely incredible. What area do you live in? Accra. I will be moving in 2021 with my husband and 2 kids. We currently live in the cantonments region, which we absolutely love. It's close to Osu, it's close to the shops, it's close to work, it's close to the city center, beaches. Absolutely love it. I'll leave a link below and hopefully able to find something in the area. These next couple questions are kind of interlinked. Do you rent or own your house? Please, I want to see your house. And is $400 a month enough to live off? So firstly, do we rent or own a house? We rent our houses here. And this primarily for the reason is that we like to experience different areas within Accra. So it's nice to have a lease for a year or two, move to a different area, experience and get to know the people that live around there, then move again. So not too sure in June, we'll see if we stay or end up moving to another place, but I'll document that whole process. And do you want to see another house tour? I have done one. I suppose I could do another one and show you these houses, what they go for on the market, how much they are to rent, and sure, that won't be a problem at all. And with the $400 a month enough to live off in Ghana, I'm honestly really not sure. I'm sure there's videos out there. I'll try and have a look that are more informative, because I also don't understand if you're meaning, is this for rent, food, cars, or is it just you're talking about your groceries, or you're just talking about your rent money? So I'm not too sure on that question. I wish I could be more informative, but I'm really not sure. Is your sister getting married this year? She is. Thank you so much for asking. She is. With COVID and everything, hopefully she manages to do it this year. That'll be really great. Where's your dad? We don't see him in your Ghana videos. My dad owns a business which is based in South Africa, so that's why he is in South Africa, busy working and holding down the fort there for us. So that's why when I went back a couple months ago and I spent a couple months in South Africa, it was with him. Is Ghana really this developed? And they had commented on my one video. It really is. People do not actually understand the development and infrastructure that is here. This is one of the primary goals of my YouTube channel, is try and promote it and try and show what is actually there and what you can experience, not only in Ghana but in Africa as a whole, and don't always be manipulated by what you see in the media. Please ask the street vendors next time to serve your wachi in banana leaves. I'd actually love that. I did ask the previous time when I was there and they just gave it to me in a plastic carton, so it didn't feel as authentic, but I'm working on that. You'll see a video coming out very soon, very soon, in banana leaves. Bro, please go back and get groundnuts with your plantain. Yes, this actually came up quite a few times. I thought they were sold separately and you're not meant to eat them together, but apparently you do eat the groundnuts with the plantain. So I should definitely go back and change that. Thank you for informing me on that. I was not aware. Do you work or grow up in Ghana? What is your connection with the country? I can see your love for it is real. Obviously, I've grown up all over in different places, my family moving for work. 3 or 4 years we've been based in Ghana. Absolutely love it. The people are so welcoming. The atmosphere is so incredible. Everyone is so happy. Everyone is so friendly. And it's been a country that has been very, very good to me, very good to my family who's accepted us, which is not always that easy when you move around so often and so easily integrated into their society. So that is one of the reasons why I absolutely love Ghana and one of the reasons why I just love promoting it. Just found your channel, love your food videos, and I am now very hungry. To be honest, I watch my food videos back and I'm like, man, I really wish I could have more of that food because I just love it. Ghanaian food is out of this world. Absolutely love it. In which African country are you from? I can see your love for Ghana. I am originally South African, grew up most of my life in South Africa and then moved around a little bit. But by far Ghana is my favorite African country. Are you sure that is your mom and not your sister? She'll love this comment. I'll definitely tell her. Yes, that is my mom. My mom and sisters look very, very much alike. And that's pretty much it. I don't even know how many questions. There's probably around 12 to 15. And I just thought it would be a great way just to hopefully let you guys understand my point of view, know me a little bit better, to just, while we're in this beautiful country that is Ghana, that just do that and just keep you up to date and keep you informed. So thank you so much. If there's anything that I missed, anything that you wish I spent more time on, delve deeper into, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world.